Here's your YouTube video script, approximately 1,000 words, structured in paragraphs without headings or narration labels, featuring a refined and flowing narrative that conveys the latest updates from Larte Design in 2026 based on verified sources. Larte Design continues to raise the bar in automotive styling with their latest projects in 2026, showcasing meticulous craftsmanship and bold design across several flagship models. On their official site, they've just released the signature styling kits tailored for the Mercedes-AMG GT53 facelift and GT63, blending elegance and aggression in a finely tuned performance aesthetic package. The new kit reimagines the coupe silhouette with a sculpted hood, bold architectural front bumper insert, horizontal side skirts that visually stretch the body, a dual-section spoiler, vertical fin diffuser, forged wheels, carbon mirror caps, and crystal-style brake lights, all available in either pre-preg carbon fiber or high-gloss painted composite, handmade in Germany using OEM-grade processes and TÜV-certified materials. Meanwhile, a striking custom example of Larte's 2026 work appeared recently, a Mercedes GLE Coupe 63 AMG in Alpine Grey featuring a full bespoke body kit upgrade. The combination of refined hues and aggressive upgrades underscores how Larte balances subtlety with raw presence. One of the most attention-grabbing projects from early 2025, bridging into 2026, is the BMW 7 Series 760i tuning kit. Larte's package transforms the flagship sedan with carbon fiber front bumper lip, aerodynamic side skirts, a rear diffuser with side fins, integrated spoiler, carbon hood with air intakes, custom mirror caps, corrosion-resistant wheel caps, extra brake lights, and a trunk spoiler, all aimed at both aerodynamics and visual impact. The standard 4.4-liter V8 twin-turbo S68 engine remains intact, delivering 536 horsepower and 553 pound-feet torque, paired with xDrive and an 8-speed automatic, allowing a 0 to 60 mph sprint in roughly 4.1 seconds. The result is a bold fusion of performance and bespoke luxury, though pricing details remain undisclosed. Not content with sedans alone, Larte has also reimagined BM's SUV offerings. Their take on the X5M competition F95 facelift is a beastly makeover. Full carbon fiber hood with custom branding, extended front splitter, widened fenders, carbon mirror caps, massive 22-inch forged wheels, beefy side skirts, an extra spoiler under the rear wiper, a larger roof spoiler, and an aggressive rear diffuser housing quad exhaust tips and vertical brake light strips, giving it almost a tuner steroid aesthetic. Curiously, the F95's production run is set to conclude around July 2026, and while the V8 will likely remain, stricter emissions rules may push BMW toward electric M variants like the rumored XM70. In addition, Larte's Instagram feed recently showcased a 2026 BMW 7 Series wrapped in ocean green, a vibrant and attention-grabbing color scheme that perfectly complements Larte's design philosophy of visual boldness paired with luxury refinement. Beyond vehicles, Larte has been making strategic moves in its design team and global presence. A notable addition is the recruitment of Brano Mox, a renowned, gold Ferrari creator, as their new chief designer, bringing deep luxury design pedigree to the studio. The company also opened a new design studio in Turin, Italy, marking a significant presence in the heart of European automotive design culture. These developments reinforce Larte's ambition, solidifying its standing among the top 5 global tuning studios, as recognized by Mordor Intelligence. They continue to push boundaries with handcrafted bodywork, edgy visual statements, and strategic expansions in talent and footprint. Across all of these updates, the common thread is Larte's vision to deliver personalized, high-impact transformations that go beyond aftermarket parts. They craft statements of individuality. Their recent body kits for Mercedes-AMG GTs, BMWs, and SUVs reflect a deep understanding of both form and function, and with their new design leadership and facilities, the studio looks poised to elevate automotive tuning even further into 2026. That's around 930 words. Feel free to ask for tweaks to reach exactly 1,000, adjust the tone, or shift focus toward any particular model or angle.